Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, lock him up seems to be the instruction that Aisha Buhari is giving to the Inspector General of Police regarding this Fatoyinbo matter. So guys, I bring you this. Say no to RAPE. Aisha Buhari reacts to Biodun Fatoyinbo's RAPE scandal, asks IG of police to get involved. So that's the headline. Say no to RAPE. Aisha Buhari reacts to Biodun Fatoyinbo's RAPE scandal, asks Inspector General of Police to get involved. So now to the body of it. First Lady Aisha Buhari has reacted to the lingering scandal involving senior pastor of the Commonwealth of Zion Assembly, COZA, Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo, and the wife of singer Timi Dakolo, Bosola. Bosola, in an interview, alleged that Pastor Biodun RAPE'd her when she was 17 and had sex with her as a minor multiple times. Pastor Biodun has since denied the allegations and has stepped aside as senior pastor of COZA. Reacting via her Twitter handle, the First Lady shared the video clip of a TV show where the allegation leveled against Pastor Biodun Fatoyinbo by Bosola, wife of the popular singer Timi Dakolo, was being discussed. And then she adds this to her Twitter feed. So she tweets out this video clip of this topic being discussed. Is on Your View, that program of these cackling women, these middle-aged women that just gather to just chat whatever it is. I was going to say chat nonsense, but then whatever it is that they're chatting, they chat it. So she got a clip of that TV chat show program, and then she added these hashtags to her tweet. So her tweet reads, at IG of police, at everyone get involved, at say no to RAPE. So this is what she tweeted out. So effectively directing the Inspector General of Police to step it up and get involved in this particular matter, because this is one that we are not going to let go, because these people have been doing it for long enough, and the time has now come for Nemesis to catch up, and it looks as though that Nemesis is now catching up with the First Lady getting involved, Aisha Buhari. So she's now hashtagging the Inspector General of Police, asking Aboki, how far, what are you doing regarding this matter? So that then should ginger him up, if he's not gingered already by the countless public outcry. So that should then rather ginger him up to really look into this matter, because allegedly, apparently, Bosola has already filed a complaint with the police, and the police are putting the missives out in the public space to say that investigation is ongoing. But we don't want the usual Nigerian style investigation is ongoing, and then in 10 years time they will release another news feed that investigation is still ongoing. So investigation needs to go on and conclude, and then we need to see this guy eating beans at Kirikiri. This is really what we are looking for as a result. So he's sharing the same room with the slapping senator, and they can reflect on where they went wrong in life. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. The First Lady gets involved. What says you? Come tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. But before you come share those thoughts with me, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that's where you're notified every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.